Yeah, it feels great. Almost feels like I've never been away. So really nice to link up with the boys. Obviously link up with the manager finally, and really looking forward to playing my part. Every game, every ball that was kicked, I was cheering for the boys, and so as I said, to have the opportunity now to come back into the fold and really support the success of the group, and what we can potentially achieve is something I'm really looking forward to. If you look at the group as well, I think um, qualifying for another major tournament is another phenomenal achievement. But there's more that you can achieve. You can the 100% the group has the quality and the togetherness to be successful at the tournament and actually at tournaments into the future, and continue to qualify. And a World Cup campaign wouldn't be bad. So there's a lot to play for. I think the manager's done a phenomenal job in ensuring that togetherness is continues to grow, and he's probably had a tougher challenge coming in, with the success of the group previously, and actually to achieve what he's achieved is certainly an amazingly positive sign. And but he's a winner and he wants to keep winning, and having that drive is going to be essential for the group. And as I said, from my perspective, I'm looking forward to playing my part in that. Certainly had a special affiliation with with our national fans and with the nation, and even before we got to Euro 2016, that whole qualifying campaign was very special. And there was a certain chance which started there, and the fans have sort of kicked that on ever since. And they certainly acted as a 12th man for us on many occasions. I remember Belgium at home, Cardiff City Stadium, and a massive result for us in that campaign. So they can make the difference. So from our perspective, the sooner they're back, the better.